Back at it again today. This one's another Taco Tuesday upgrade. Specifically, fajita mix, or however you want to pronounce that word. You know, that put in some strips of chicken or beef, some onions, some peppers, and a good seasoning. Fry it up, and throw it into some tortillas. Right? So, the basis of that seasoning is 2 tablespoons of paprika. Yet again. 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. Now, this is an aromatic. It's going to smell like it's going to make it spicy, but yet it doesn't actually make it spicy. That's the job of your chili. Now, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder, just because there's usually some onions in with the peppers, so you don't want to add a whole lot of onion here. A tablespoon of chili powder, just because it does need a kick, but it doesn't need to be burn your face off and set fire to your lungs hot. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, just to give it a little touch of some more aromatics there. A teaspoon of ground coriander, which has a citrusy smell to it. At least to me. And a teaspoon of salt. Now, like usual, go ahead and give that a good mix. And there you have it. Put it in our handy dandy little jar here. Let's see if this one works a little bit better. Fold out little funnels. Let's see if this works. Although it's not much bigger than the jar. Yeah, that's... I mean, it would probably work, but not for this. I'm going to end up making just as big of a mess as if I didn't use it. Okay. Now, you have up to 6 months to use this beautifully smelling and tasting seasoning mix if you keep it in an airtight jar. So, if you liked the recipe, liked the video, don't forget to show it by clicking the little like button down below. Also don't forget, click subscribe, join my tribe, okay, and then click the little notification bell and set it to all so that you get notified when I upload. And down in the description is both the recipe and a link to the nicely made printable that will be a 4x6 card when you print it and you can put it in your recipe notebook, your recipe binder, your recipe box, whatever you use to store your recipes in. Make it nice, easier to read. And then maybe leave a comment. But bon appetit, bonne soirée, good evening, see you later.